Right, picture this. You're standing outside, sun shining, birds singing, everything perfectly normal. Then suddenly, the sky starts to darken in the middle of the day. The temperature drops and the world feels just a bit strange. That, my friends, is the magic of a solar eclipse. But what's really happening up there? Let's break it down. A solar eclipse happens when the moon gets right between the Earth and the sun, blocking the sunlight from reaching us. Sounds simple? But it's actually a rare cosmic dance. You see, the moon and the sun appear almost exactly the same size in our sky, even though the sun is about 400 times bigger, and also 400 times further away. Talk about cosmic coincidence. But not every new moon results in an eclipse. The moon's orbit is tilted, so most months it passes just above or below the sun from our point of view, but a few times a year, everything lines up perfectly. That's when we get a solar eclipse. Now let's get a bit technical for a moment. There are actually three main types of solar eclipses. First, there's the partial eclipse, where only part of the sun is covered. It looks a bit like someone's taken a bite out of the sun. Then there's the annular eclipse. Here, the moon is a tiny bit farther from Earth, so it looks smaller and doesn't cover the sun completely. What you see is a stunning ring of fire effect around the moon. And finally, the big one, the total solar eclipse. The moon completely blocks the sun, turning day into night for just a few minutes. That's when things get really wild. During totality, the world changes. Birds might go quiet, stars might pop out, and if you're lucky, you'll see the sun's corona, the wispy outer atmosphere, glowing around the dark moon. It's a breathtaking sight, and people travel across the world just to catch those precious few minutes. But here's something cool. Solar eclipses don't just look amazing, they've taught us loads about the universe. In 1919, scientists used a solar eclipse to prove Einstein's theory of general relativity by seeing how the sun's gravity bent the light of distant stars. Eclipses help us study the sun, test our science, and even inspire new generations of space fans. So, next time you hear there's a solar eclipse coming, grab some proper eclipse glasses and get outside. You'll witness one of the universe's greatest shows, right from your own backyard. If you ask me, it's a reminder that we live on a pretty spectacular planet spinning through an incredible universe. Cheers for watching, and keep looking up.